So, Mohammed Ali, introduce yourself. Where are you from? Where have you come from?
Yeah, my name is MohammedAllie's. I am from Cape Town.
So, tell me, what were the kinds of issues that you were facing with your teeth, Mohammed?
Yeah, teeth, that my doctor did a perfect job of cleaning, polishing, and I've never seen white teeth like this. So I've told him all the sheep that we slaughter in Cape Town, I'm going to send all the teeth to him free of charge. How is that, doctor?
Great, great. That I will look forward to that. We'll experiment with that as well.
Okay.
So, all in all, your experience with our Aakaar Dentistry was
No. It's been
good?
excellent. I would recommend this to anyone that wants to come and have any checkups done, whether you're having a set done or not. But for dentistry especially, I don't think you will have a better person in India, and especially in Bombay, that you can come and visit.
Thank you so much, Mohammed. Really appreciate it. Thank you so much.
Pleasure.